Hi guys, Joe here. So we're just gonna do some charting on Filusdtperp, and I'm trading on perps, perpetual contracts on Binance. So again, we'll just start with the daily resistance, look for where price action has been and hasn't been able to pass that. As over here, it's an all-time high, reached $238. Buyers come back in and pushed it back down underneath. Candle close underneath resistance, so that's where I'm putting my resistance. Next I'm going to find support. As you can see, price is now hitting nearly all-time lows. We're not that far from it, so I'm just going to put a support line up here where price was supported before in the past. Yeah, here looks alright. Support. Check the resistance there, so you guys can see. I'm going to check on here too because price is getting supported around this area. And I'm also going to look for some supply and demand zones. So supply and demand zone is order blocks in another sense, where people are sitting and have placed orders in the past waiting for price to come back down to them and to pick up their order, which that'll be a demand zone where people are wanting the asset. The supply zone will always be up above where people want to sell their assets, so they will put an order in to see if price comes up to this point they want to sell. So if price come up to here, and this is where they had their order sitting, it'll get picked up and then they'll sell their assets for what they thought it was worth, which some of them probably did, which is good gains there for them. So to do that, we'll just mark it out. So there was one here. This is where price shows it was red, then shot up, day candles all green, all these orders getting picked up along the way, so that became a demand zone. So usually when you draw these in, because price has come and broken through that again, there's no more orders sitting here. That means orders were depleted through this one here, this long big red candle here. The next candle confirms it as well. If it closes below, then that's another confirmation that this demand zone is now depleted. So I won't put that there, that one's done. I could see one probably just here. Yep, so price is consolidated for a little bit. Had a red candle in decision, shot back up in these 1 day candles, which means sellers come back in and orders got picked up. Happened again here as well. So if price has just touched this one, that means yes, there is a order block here for demand. There's a demand for the full USDT. So if price comes back down here again and cuts through here like it did with this area up here, that means that all the orders were picked up through this one candle here. If it comes back down, goes back up, then that's a good chance this is a strong demand area. Which for me, if it does come back down, I could trade this up to maybe this area here, because this could be a supply zone here. So I'll just mark this one out. Next, I'll drop down to the 4-hour chart. I'll go and readjust my support and resistance because there's all-time high here, and that one looks alright. Now I'll just go and tighten up these supply and demand zones. So now we'll just put on some more support and resistance for this time frame here, the 4 hour. There's one there. It shows where price has been, hasn't been able to cut through that resistance, and it's come back down. And it almost touches it again, come back down. Touches it twice here, comes back down. So this is a strong area of resistance around this price frame for the 4 hour time frame. So we're going to chuck in one for support. Usually support and resistance support goes underneath current price, and resistance goes above current price. Because current price is all the way down here, I'm just looking at the overall picture and where I'm placing my support and resistance. So I could put one in here. Could probably put this one here. Yeah, I'll just change this one. For me, this is for me. So, and then you can see it's going to stall on a downtrend. So we'll chuck in a trend line up here. This is a descending triangle. Chuck on the line chart. This gets it accurate. So yeah, this looks pretty good to me. Descending triangle means that it's downtrend and it's going to come down to the squeeze. So the squeeze is this area here, the end of this triangle. So if price action comes down here and the volume slows off, that means there's still a decision in the market of where it should go. Should it go bullish or should it go bearish? So for me, I will need more confirmation. If I drop down to the 1 hour, because everything's moving quite slowly, candles are starting to get littler. Yeah, it could look like it's going to start to consolidate for a little bit for me, so I wouldn't really trade this one at the moment. Yeah, no trade for me on this one. I need more confirmation. Yeah, no trade, guys. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that, and if you need any help with how I learned all this stuff, or if you want to put your opinions on this charting, then yep, hit me up or leave a comment in the down below and we'll see how it goes. I like to hear everyone else's ideas. See?